Hi everyone, I'm Kasun from Gulf BA Analytics. So today what I'm going to show you is how you can create a cumulative forecast against the actual values, actual cumulative values. Okay, so here what I have shown you here is this is in the green color. What you can see is our forecast for 2013, and then you can see what are the actual values, what is the actual cumulative total till 2013 third quarter. So we don't have any information for the last quarter, so we are looking at the actual till 2013 third quarter, and this is the forecast value. So this kind of analysis we can use to compare the forecasted value and the actuals, how it is going together. Are we achieving our forecast or are we behind our forecast? So likewise you can do advanced analysis. So it's based on periods and it's based on channels, products. So when you select a different channel, you can see how our forecasted values and actual values is going on. So and here in the second chart, what I have done is I have calculated the difference between the forecasted value and the actual values, and I have put it into a line chart, so area chart. So you can see whether we have achieved more than our forecasted value or whether we are behind our forecasted value. Okay, so without further ado, we will see how this is actually working. Okay, so I'm going to a new sheet. So basically what I will do is I have calculated basic SumX calculation to calculate the total revenue. So I'll drag and drop total revenue calculation. So it's just a simple SumX function. So then I will convert into it to a matrix, and then I will drag the time values into the rows. So now I can see. So then I will change this just to a date value. Okay, then what I will do is now I can see day by day revenue. So I'm mainly focusing on 2013. So what I will do is I will drag and drop another filter slicer, and I will drag and drop the year and quarter. So I have the year and quarter here, so I will make it little bit small, and basically I'm looking at 2013 in this example. So I will select 2013 whole year. Okay, then now I'm looking at the total revenue. So what I want to do is I want to take the forecasted revenue. So what we can do to calculate forecasted revenue, actually in a previous example also I have done the same. So forecasted revenue you can simply calculate by using same period last year. So I have calculated the total revenue, then I have used the filter called same period last year, and I have multiplied my revenue by 1.04 for the same last year revenue by 1.04 for the forecasted revenue. So I will drag and drop that as well. So this is my forecasted revenue and this is my total revenue. So out of that, so this is just for 2013. So what I want is now I want to forecast the cumulative revenue. So in order to get the cumulative revenue, so what I will do is I want the cumulative values of the forecasted revenue. So to get that, what I will do is I will use calculate function, calculate my forecast revenue, and then I will use a filter and I will use all selected because I want to take only this period. All selected in my calendar table, and then I will take only the date. So for each row what I want is if that current date is less than the maximum date in that current context. So calendar date key if it is less than or equal to the maximum calendar date in the current context. Okay, so if it is less than, I want to take that value. So if I press enter, here I can see the total cumulative revenue. So starting from 6168, then plus this one 112 million. So likewise it's going towards the cumulative value. So I want to do the same thing for the total revenue as well. So cumulative total revenue, I'm doing the same thing. So calculate the total revenue if the current value is less than the current date key. So I will do the same calculation again just to demonstrate you. So calculate total revenue, then I will put a filter on calendar, put a filter on all selected calendar, and I will take only the date keys which is less than or equal to the maximum date of current context. Okay, so then I have added another if condition here, because I want to take only the values till September, just to show you the comparison. So I want to take only till September the revenue, then I can see the rest as blank. So this is the total cumulative revenue. So then what I will do is, so if you look at here, so this is the cumulative value. So I don't need the normal day-to-day revenue, so I have the cumulative revenue. Then I can change this to a area chart and I can look at it like this. So this is my forecasted revenue and this is how we are going with the forecast, whether we are achieving more than forecast or not. So this is stopping here because I have put this condition here. So I want to take the values only if the date is less than September 30th of 2013, just to show you this nicely. That's why I stopped it from that point. So then what we can do is, if I take a copy of this same chart, what I can show you is, I can create a copy of this, okay, this one, and I have created the forecasted versus actual. Okay, so here I am taking the total forecast revenue minus total cumulative revenue, then I can get the difference. So it will be something like this when I look at the difference. So why it's not coming? Okay, hold on, my PC got stuck. Okay, so now I need to drag and drop this one. So if I look at the difference, now it looks like this because there is no any value for the last quarter for the actuals, if you see here. So in that case, in order to fix that, what we can do is, we will see if this part is blank for actual, if cumulative revenue, if we will say if is blank, cumulative revenue. Then I don't want this one as well. I want to this one that blank. I don't want this data if this actual revenue is blank, otherwise this value. So then I can see something like this. So if I drag and drop now each channels like a slicer, so you can see for each channel, so whether we are behind our forecast or whether we are above our forecast. So you can analyze it like this. Okay, so actually I quickly went through this tutorial because I just want to give you an idea. So if you're interested on those kind of advanced analytics, and if you want to learn everything from basic to advanced about Power BI, so join with our courses. Have a look at our website. So I will put all the details in the link, and I will just show you our website as well. So you can go to our website, Gulf BI Analytics. So we are providing business BI consultancy and training on Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Excel. So if you go here, you can see our website. So this is our website, and you can join, you can have a look onto our classes, what we are doing. So we have a number of classes on Power BI and Excel BI capabilities, and also if you are planning to go for the MCSA certification, we can help you on that as well. So thank you very much, and if you have anything, if you need any consultants, if you need any trainings, please do contact us. Okay, thank you very much, and see you on next video.